Love will keep you alive. From the Eagles, but I turn it into a gospel. Okay. His love will keep you alive.
You seem to me alright, but inside of you is hunger. Searching desperately, for love seems out of sight. It's so hard to survive, every day could be your last one. But just hold on tight, love will keep you alive. Yes, you know all about promise of people they have let you down. I know words of love get you nowhere now. What you're longing for is someone close whom you can trust in, child. When you're hungry, His love will keep you alive. I have these words for you, shining from the highest mountain. With me, there's an answer for you. Just pray to Jesus like me. He is real and He won't let you down. When we're hungry, His love will keep us alive. I wrote these words for you, shining from the highest mountain. Believe me, there is an answer for you. It is time to come home, just don't wait any longer. Bow your knees and say, Jesus, I need you. I don't know who you are, but I'm willing to give it a try. I'm so hungry, for love will keep me alive. No more darkness, your love is never alive. Oh, it's what I need most, your love will keep me alive.